8th Mathematics, Chapter 2, Rational Numbers. Today, we take our number system for granted. We use numbers for everything: money, time, temperature, and so much more. Imagining a time without number seems impossible, yet numbers haven't been around forever. Today, we will explore the different types of numbers and their properties. Particularly, we will give more importance to properties of rational numbers. Types of numbers. First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital letter N, and N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Second one, whole number denoted by capital letter W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Third one, integers denoted by capital letter Z. Z is equal to dash 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Definition of rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. If we write any number in the form P by Q, then that number is called rational number. But the condition is denominator Q should not be 0 and P and Q are integers. Examples for rational numbers. First example, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 4 by 3. Now consider 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is in the form of P by Q. 2 by 3 is in the form of P by Q, where 2 and 3 are two integers and Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, 2 by 3 is a rational number. Similarly, 5 by 6 is also a rational number. 4 by 3 is a rational number. Now consider the second example. Minus 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9 is in the form of P by Q. Here P is minus 8. Q is 9. Both are integers and denominator is not equal to 0. Therefore, minus 8 by 9 is a rational number. Similarly, minus 3 by 2 is a rational number. Now consider the third example, 5, 6, 1. These are the examples for rational number. Because consider 5. We can write 5 as 5 by 1. 6 as 6 by 1. 1 as 1 by 1. Now consider 5 by 1 is in the form of P by Q. Therefore 5 by 1 is a rational number. Therefore 5 is a rational number. Similarly 6 is a rational number and 1 is also a rational number. Consider the fourth example, minus 8 and minus 16. Minus 8 is a rational number because we can write minus 8 as minus 8 by 1. Minus 16 as minus 16 by 1. Now consider minus 8 by 1. Minus 8 is an integer, 1 is an integer. Therefore, we can write minus 8 is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, minus 8 is a rational number. Similarly, minus 16 is a rational number. Consider the fifth example, 0. 0 is a rational number. Why does 0 is a rational number? Because we can write 0 as 0 by 1, or 0 as 0 by 5, or 0 as 0 by 10, and so on. Therefore, 0 is in the form P by Q. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Numbers and their properties. There are 5 basic properties of numbers. First one, closure property. Closure property. Second one, commutative property. Commutative property. Third one, associative property. Associative property. Fourth one, identity property. Identity property. And the last one, distributive property. Distributive property. Now let's consider the first. Now consider 20 and 30 natural numbers under addition. Closure property on natural numbers under addition. Consider the set of natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Addition. If 5 and 11 belongs to N, that means if 5 and 11 belongs to natural number, that implies 5 plus 11 that is equal to 16, and this 16 belongs to natural number. 20 and 30 belongs to N, that implies 20 plus 30, because it is addition. 20 plus 30, that is equal to 50. 50 belongs to N. 150 and 130 belongs to N. Then 150 plus 130, that is equal to 280, and 280 also belongs to N. In general, if A and B are any two natural numbers, then their sum A plus B is also a natural number. Therefore, natural numbers are closed under addition. Therefore, natural numbers are closed under addition. Consider the second one, whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted by capital letter W, that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Consider the addition. Addition. If 5 and 11 belongs to W, 5 and 11 belongs to a set of whole numbers, that implies 5 plus 11 that is equal to 16. 16 also belongs to whole number. Consider the second example. If 20 and 30 belongs to W, that implies 20 plus 30 that is equal to 50. Then 50 belongs to W. Now consider the third example. If 0 is a whole number. If 0 and 130 belongs to W, that implies 0 plus 130 that is equal to 130. Then 130 belongs to W. In general, if A and B are any two whole numbers, then their sum A plus B is also a whole number. Therefore, whole numbers are closed under addition. Whole numbers are closed under addition. Consider the third one, that is integers. Integers. Z is equal to negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Consider addition. Addition. If 5 and 11 belongs to Z, 5 and 11 belongs to Z, That implies 5 plus 11, that is equal to 16. 16 is a integer, therefore 16 belongs to Z. Consider the second example. Minus 20, 30 belongs to Z. Z means integers. That implies minus 20 plus 30, that is equal to 10, and 10 belongs to Z. Consider the third example. Minus 130 and plus 130. Minus 130 belongs to Z and also 130 belongs to Z. That implies minus 130 plus 130. Minus and plus gets cancelled. Answer is 0. Minus 130 plus 130, that is equal to 0. 0 belongs to Z. Minus 2 and minus 30 belongs to Z. That implies minus 2 plus minus 30, that is equal to minus 2 plus into minus is minus. Minus 2 minus 30, that is equal to minus 32, and minus 32 belongs to Z. In general, if A and B are any two integers, then their sum A plus B is also an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under addition. Integers are closed under addition. Fourth one, rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented in P by Q form, where P is an integer and Q not equal to 0. Addition. Consider two rational numbers, that is 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. 2 by 3 and 5 by 3 belongs to Q. Q means rational numbers. Then 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3, and 7 by 3 belongs to Q. Now consider the second example. 0 and 3 by 5 are two rational numbers. 0 and 3 by 5 are two rational numbers. We can write 0 as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 plus 3 by 5, that is equal to 0 by 1, answer is 0, plus 3 by 5. 0 plus 3 by 5, answer is 3 by 5, and 3 by 5 belongs to Q. Third example, minus 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 7. Minus 2 by 7 and minus 12 by 7 belongs to Q. Then their sum minus 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 7, that is equal to minus 2 plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 2 minus 12 divided by 7, that is equal to minus 2 minus 12, that is equal to minus 14. Minus 14 divided by 7, that is equal to minus 2, and this minus 2 also belongs to Q. Now consider 1 and 5. 1 is a rational number and 5 is a rational number. Then their sum 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. 6 belongs to Q. Minus 3 is a rational number and plus 3 is a rational number. Minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0, and 0 is a rational number. In general, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then their sum A plus B is also a rational number. Therefore, rational numbers are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition.